All right, we've got our shop Gladiator. Just getting it ready for a trade show. We're mounting everything super low. We're basically doing the lowest setup we can. That is a set of crossbars on a tonneau cover. We've got the tent on here, but that also means we don't have a ton of storage space. So I'm trying to find a good place to put the MAXTRAX without putting them up on the roof where they're hard to get to, and where I might not be able to open the Freedom Tops. So we're gonna try out this new product from Rhino-Rack. This is a recovery traction board holder, mounts to a set of crossbars, straps them on. I believe it's even lockable. We're gonna try putting those right on here so that they're easily accessible, nice and low, and fill up that space. So stay tuned. All right, that is the next thing we have on our shop Gladiator is the Rhino-Rack MAXTRAX or recovery board holder. There's a better name for that. And that name is the recovery traction board holder. Well, that's exactly what I call it. This is super slick. I really like this. So we have our ultra low setup here, just a set of crossbars on a tonneau cover, and that doesn't leave a lot of room unless you put them up on the roof for the MAXTRAX, trying to keep the bed as open as possible for all our gear when we're camping. This suits it well. Plus, it's super easy to get to. It's right here. They're quick to get on and off. Pull the key out of my pocket here. We're gonna unlock them. These straps here, they are, did I lock or unlock that? Yeah, I locked it. The straps are metal on the inside, so it's not like someone can't cut them, but they're not gonna be able to cut them easily. So the security is there. Probably gonna keep the honest man honest, and that's good to go. That is one of the quicker MAXTRAX mounting systems that I have seen. Yeah, let's move it this way a bit. These little ratchets are designed to go in between the teeth so they sit still, I guess, and really anchor it into place. There's a little strap on the underside that allows you to keep that excess bit of the strap in place, and you can fit 4 boards on this. So I like it. I think it's kind of cool. Suits our build really well. This means when we don't have all that stuff up on the roof of the vehicle, this can fit into most garages, into undergrounds. It is under 7 feet with the crossbars still on the roof, and this has a 3.5-inch lift with 37-inch tires. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.